I feel like this is like an open, fresh spring roll.
Yeah, it is kind of.
What's it called? Deconstructed fresh spring roll.
Today we're gonna make vermicelli bowl.
Yes.
Which is a dish that Tim and I always get at Faux Fusion in Newmarket.
We love you, Faux Fusion.
They're the best.
Call it.
Sometimes if you can't get there, we try and recreate it.
I love it.
Usually we do like grilled chicken, very easy. Just grill the chicken.
No, I just want fresh, vegetarian.
Yeah, we're not doing meat.
Let's do it.
I can't handle another meat.
I'm trying to reduce my meat intake.
This is a really fun vegetarian meal. And you could get a veggie spring roll to put on top if you wanted a little extra something.
What are the core ingredients?
Rice noodles.
Okay.
Are the base. They're gonna be cold. We're gonna make a sauce with fish sauce, vinegar, chili flakes, sugar, lime juice. Then, minced garlic in the sauce.
Okay.
Then, we're gonna chop up veggies, cucumber, carrots, green onions, cilantro.
Those go in
jalapenos.
Those go in fresh.
Yes.
Okay. So what do you need me to do?
I need you to do these.
You want me to do these?
They're boiled. It's boiling. So you just plop them in, set them aside.
8 to 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Soft but firm.
Take it off the heat.
I've got it.
I'm going to peel the carrots.
Mallory Myers.
What?
You left this on?
Uh-oh. I'll chop up some green onions. I'll chop up I'll just do it all. You just sit and
I'm here.
Make it look pretty.
I'm here to help.
So I like cilantro, do you?
Yep. I got some tongs.
I'm hands deep already.
Okay.
I'm going to, now that we have this lovely bowl full of freshness, I'm going to dump in the dressing that I made, which is fish sauce, white vinegar, both 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, and...
Salt?
No.
Pepper?
No. Garlic, 1 clove of garlic. Oh yeah.
All right, Malloryna.
Oh, saucy.
You're feeling good about it?
Bon appetit. Wait, should I put salt? No.
Have you tasted it yet?
No.
Are you gonna taste it?
No.
Why not?
What do you mean? It's good. I can't do anything about it now.
I think you should taste it.
It's fine.
Taste it.
Delicious.
It's delicious? You're going with delicious? Okay, go ahead. Plate that up. And we'll make some pretty bowls. We'll do this. Look, we'll use these pretty bowls that we don't get to use very often.
Yeah. It's got like a very zesty taste to it. I hope you're ready.
I like zest. Refreshing, right?
Very.
Oh yeah, I like that. That's good.
Right?
Yeah. It's got to be cold though.
Yeah.
This is cold.
Oh, it has to be cold.
This has to be cold.
Yes, it
so
cannot
this
be
you
hot.
can't put this out on like on a table outside during like a barbecue. Because after like 10 minutes, it would be like start to get warm, and you'd be like,
No, it has to be cold. You could do shrimp, grilled
Throw a little shrimp in there would be
grilled
great.
chicken.
Simple chicken, like not over spiced.
Oh, like salt and pepper, olive oil, grilled on the barbecue.
Oh, this is healthy. What do we call this?
Vermicelli bowls.
Vermicelli bowl. That's what if I went to a restaurant,
Yes, this is a vermicelli bowl.
this is a vermicelli bowl.
Okay, so at Faux Fusion, order a VO5.
VO5? What's that mean? Is that
That's
the
my
number?
order.
That's the number on the order? You did good.
Thank you.
Good job, Mel. See you next time.